It is 5:11 right now, and today is International Overdose Awareness Day. It's the largest global campaign to remember those gone too soon and commit to a goal of preventing more deaths.
The Milwaukee County Medical Examiner's Office says overdose deaths have been at record levels in recent years, and Andrea Albers is here this morning with some hopeful news highlighting a new lifeline for those in treatment for substance abuse.
The Milwaukee Health Department distributed more than 1,500 Narcan kits and nearly 11,000 fentanyl test strips last year. That is the impact just one organization can have. I talked to the CEO of another organization working to end overdose deaths in the Milwaukee area. They're rolling out a new digital tool. Community Medical Services is a leading national provider of medication for opioid use disorder and other interventions for those grappling with addiction. And now CMS is debuting a mobile app to connect patients directly to their counselor. The app is called Recovery Connect, and the CEO of CMS, Nick Stavros, says thanks to its messaging features, the app can allow for in-the-moment interventions. Stavros says a vast majority of active drug users are not seeking treatment. To be specific, that number was 94% in 2021. That's according to a national survey by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. It's a statistic that drives a lot of decision making at CMS.
It's kind of our calling to say, how can we be there available when somebody raises their hand and said, I'm ready for treatment? Because we call that the moment of hope, because somebody might an hour later make a decision, never mind, I'm gonna go back to using. So it's like imperative that right then and there, when they make that decision, we're available and we have treatment available.
CMS operates 68 clinics in 11 states, including Wisconsin. And by the end of this year, it's expected that the app will be used by counselors at all of those locations. Andrea Albers, TMJ4 News.
Andrea, thank you. Recently, CMS modified a large van. It's the first of its kind in the Milwaukee area. Take a look. It has the ability to bring opioid use disorder medications directly to the people who need them. CMS says the van will eliminate a huge barrier, which is access to treatment. Inside this van is a dosing room where a nurse can administer medication. There is also space to provide counseling. You can find more information on that and CMS resources by looking for this story on TMJ4.com.